morning everybody. Yeah, Henk here from Four Wheeling SA, and yes, I'm on my way again to make some modifications to my vehicle, so stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm up to. Okay, so I'm currently on my way to M&B Offroad, where we're gonna do a bumper replacement. So yeah, the bumper that I'm going to fit, it's gonna be the Wildog K9 bumper, I think something like that. So I'm really excited about it. It's for me it's the biggest cosmetic change that I'm gonna make to a vehicle I've owned. So obviously one has a lot of questions. What will it look like? I mean, it's one thing to see it in a picture and another thing to see it in real life. And also you're excited about it, but you also, are they gonna work on your vehicle? They maybe gonna drill a hole here and there. So it's something to get used to, but it's something that I've been it's a bit of a dream of mine. I've always wanted to fit a bumper to my vehicle from like 10 years ago when I started getting involved in 4x4ing. So yeah, hopefully I can share some of my experience with you to show you how they install the bumper, what they do, and then also what I want to tell you later on is why did I fit the bumper, what's the purpose of it, what do you need to look out for when you do something like that. So hang in there and hope you enjoy the show. Okay, so while I'm on my way, I just want to share some interesting, well, maybe stories with you. So recently I went out to drive a 4x4 trail, and at that stage I didn't have the new tires on, obviously didn't have the bumper, and the person off the trail looked at my car and at the Fortuner and said, "Listen, is this 4x4? Yeah, it is. I said, okay, but just be careful and yeah, don't do the difficult part of the trail. It's fine. And well, I went ahead and I did the entire trail. So it just shows you the perception that's out there is that you need these special chunky mud terrain tires. You need a vehicle that's got the look or whatever to be able to do the trails. And you know, the funny thing is, with a standard vehicle you actually can get very far. And then on the other hand, you've got people that do a lot of modifications on the vehicle just for the look. And I've heard the story about a fitness center that did all of these modifications to a guy's vehicle, and they took him out to a trail and show him what this vehicle can do, and he was so shocked that he said, no, I'm never going to take my vehicle on a trail like this again. So he's driving around with a modified, I think 79 series Land Cruiser that's never going to see a trail. So yeah, I suppose it's your choice, but it's interesting how people see things and the reason why people do it. Myself, I do modifications from a practical point of view. Things I feel that's needed on my vehicle to protect my vehicle, and also to maybe just improve the ability of the vehicle. But yeah, we're almost there. Okay, so I've arrived here at M&B Offroad, so let's do this. it's done. You would have seen some videos and clips by now, but yeah, overall I'm very happy with it. I like the look of it. Look, I had to choose between black or having it just powder coated, and there's a couple of reasons why I went for black. The black is, for me, it works better with the vehicle, with the lines and things like that. And then the other reason is you're gonna drive with this trails and get some scratches on it, and if you go with the white, I feel there's still a chance that you scratch it and then you need to repaint it, whereas with the black it's much easier just to top it up. So that's it for the review on the new bumper. I hope you've enjoyed it, hope you've learned something from it. If you have any questions about it, yeah, just put it down below in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching, and for everybody that has subscribed so far, really appreciate the support. Yeah, I think what's also going to happen from the four-wheeling SA side is I'm going to start a new season. So yeah, just since there were so many changes to the vehicle, I've made a couple of changes on the way I want to present the channel. So subscribe, click the notification button, and yeah, within the next month or so there will be new videos of trails that I'm going to do, and I will also do a bit of a review on the Fortuner, which I've now almost had for 3 years, so I think the time is right for that. Thanks.